time. See? He jumps like this. No, before he was literally like this. He's like, oh, you can't put two in your mouth, buddy. That dog Bella can jump over that. See? But see that black dog? That black dog can jump over that pole. And you put it in the thing, you put all the stuff.
It's getting wild. It will get cold at night. It's like, oh, we're taking the girls to feed some animals. Grab some? Like this? Like your sister?
Good on. Good on, lady.
Under here.
Because there's some baby ones here as well.
That's it, Scar? What's your barbed wire here? Scarlett, this will cut your jacket. Underneath. Yep, there you go. They're too scared, look.
Good job, Steve.
It's like a meth lab for wine.
Mother wolf. Mother wolf. Mother wolf.